Mr. Spadis, I did find the probable cause for your arrest and detention. I've assigned the public defender to represent you. You scored, it looks like a 9 on the NPRA. This is for possession of controlled substances. Ms. Casso, go ahead.
I'm sorry, not to interrupt, Your Honor. When I spoke to him this morning, it seemed like he was extremely sick. He might be possibly detoxing, so I'm going to ask to waive his appearance.
All right, I'll accept the waiver of his appearance. He knows that you're representing him here today on bail hearing?
Yes.
All right, go ahead, Ms. Casso.
Thank you, Your Honor. State's going to be seeking $50,000 in bail.
Wait, you blocked out 15 or 50?
Excuse me, 15,000.
Okay, go ahead.
It is a PCS third offense, and that's based on this defendant's pretty lengthy history. We know that he scores a 9 on the MPRA. He's actually on probation for possession of controlled substance out of Elko. So that's what he does have a P&P hold for that felony offense. He has 2 other probation violations this year. He was arrested on August 1st and August 11th. It just shows those arrests for probation violations, but no disposition. We know that he was convicted of destruction of property in February of this year, a misdemeanor out of Elko. The case in which he is on probation for, like I said, is a PCS out of the 4th Judicial District Court. That's from 2022. He also had a false statement to obstruct and petty larceny out of Elko in 2022. Another possession of a controlled substance felony conviction in 2021, also out of the 4th Judicial District. He's got a 2018 false statement and obstructing out of Elko, a manufacturing or possessing a dangerous weapon, gross misdemeanor out of the 4th Judicial District Court in 2017, a felony possession of a controlled substance without prescription in 2016 out of the state of Washington, a theft out of Washington, a burglary felony out of Washington in 2015. And then he's got possession of drug paraphernalia out of Idaho in 2014, an eluding felony and taking a vehicle without consent out of California in 2006. And he has longer history, has some history from Illinois and further history from California dating all the way back to 2003. So he is a habitual criminal. He's been committing offenses for many, many years. The state is concerned, obviously, that he was on probation for this very offense and he's committing new possession offenses. So for all of those reasons, we believe the $15,000 with DAS supervision and testing is appropriate.
Thank you, Ms. Murillo.
Your Honor, my client is not working anywhere right now. He's supported by government assistance. He has nowhere to go. Any amount of bail is going to result in de facto detention. When I spoke to him and also looking at all of these past cases, they all seem to be drug related. Even the ones that aren't actually drugs, I suspect drugs are the underlying issue. I am going to ask for an OR release with transportation to inpatient treatment program because I think that would be the best for our client. And also we'll know exactly where he is as well.
I believe he'll leave.
Well, my request right now is an OR to inpatient treatment.
Can't do it. Not on a PCS third with his record. I think he'll leave with an OR. I'll never see him again. So he's had plenty of time to do treatment, Mr. Murillo. He's had dozens of criminal cases to seek treatment for drug addiction, and he's failed to do so or fled. I don't know what he's done. I'm not going to OR him even into an inpatient program. Go ahead. Anything else?
No, that's essentially everything, Your Honor.
Yeah, I know he has no place to live and he's not working. He has no residence, and I believe there's clear and convincing evidence he's a flight risk. I also feel there's clear and convincing evidence that he's a danger to the community. I agree he has a drug problem, Mr. Murillo, but that's leaving a lot of victims in his wake on burglaries and vehicle theft and everything else. So even though it's drug related, he's still causing a lot of havoc in this community. And I find that he is a danger to the community. I also find that at least a moderate to high bail is necessary to assure his appearance in court and hopefully prevent him from further violations of the law, but I don't know if it will. I'm going to go along with the state's request for $15,000 conditioned on check-ins with DAS under DAS supervision at least weekly and with random testing for drugs and alcohol. He's ordered to have no consumption or possession of any drugs or alcohol while on pre-trial release if he's able to make the bail. Anything else, Ms. Cosso?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Maria?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Next case.
State of Nevada versus